from 8240. Today I'm going to explain why do we use each ingredient in our product. The first ingredient in our product is garlic. Why do we use garlic? Because garlic has a strong smell that repels insects. And second is garlic contains natural antibacterial and antifungal compound such as allicin, helps reduce fungal and bacterial problem. Third is safe and harmless towards human and natural, gentle on plants, and garlic does not damage leaf when used properly. And the second ingredient that we use is chilies. Why chilies? The chilies is spice and heats repel insect. Also, chilies contain chemical compounds such as capsaicin. It is very hot and it can irritate insects and keep them away. Second is it helps control soft body insects such as caterpillar, aphid, mites. And third is it acts as a natural insect deterrent. Strong burn effect make insect go away. Fourth is it's safe and natural, of course. And the third ingredient that we use is chrysanthemum leaf. Chrysanthemum contain natural insect killing chemical such as pyrethrin, paralyze and kill insect immediately. And also chrysanthemum works quickly. Pyrethrin works almost immediately. It stops the pests and insect from feeding and moving. It also effective on many pests, can control mosquitoes, ants and aphids, also beetles. It also comes from a natural plant. The fourth and the last ingredient that we use is corn flour. Why do we use corn flour? Because it causes the insect to swell and die. When insect feeds on corn flour, they will expand inside the stomach of the insect and it will die. Second is harmless towards humans and animals. Third is it helps the spray to stick to the leaf and it prevents the spray from washing off easily. And fifth, the most important things is it's safe and natural. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Abdurrahim Al-Karim. Today I want to present about make organic fertilizer pesticide. Okay, to proceed with the organic fertilizer pesticide, you must have this ingredient. First, garlic, chili, corn flour, hot water, and mortar and pestle. First thing first, soak the chrysanthemum leaf in hot water for 5 minutes to release the liquid from the leaf. Then crush the garlic and chili until smooth. And add hot water to help release the juice from the chili and garlic. Next, mix corn flour with hot water in a container. So take all the extract from the garlic, chili and chrysanthemum leaf and pour them into a spray bottle. But before we pour in the bottle, we must filter it first because we have to spread the liquid and particle to avoid the spray from clog. And remember, shake well before use to make sure the ingredient mix well. Why we use hot water? Because it helps release the active ingredient faster, increase the concentration extract, and kill microbes, so making the active ingredient more stable. Thank you.
Check the bottle well. Natural ingredient may settle at the bottom. Test spray on a small leaf first. Wet 24 hours to make sure the plant is not sensitive. Spray the entire plant. Strap from the top leaves. Then the underside of the leaves, where many pests hide. Finally, spray the stems and surrounding soil surface. Spray until leaves are wet but not dripping. Light, even coverage is best. And then repeat according to schedule. Reapply every 1 to 2 weeks or after heavy rain.